Hi, this is Justin with Everwood Industries and JustBrailleSigns.com. Today I'm going to show you how to install a floor graphic. This would be the same install as you'd use on a wall or glass.
Make sure you clean the floor surface good before installing the floor decal. Oil and grease can be removed using a lint-free paper towel moistened with rubbing alcohol. Wipe the surface completely dry and be sure the floor finish, such as waxes, sealers, or paints, are well bonded to the floor surface. Floor temperature should be between 55 and 90 degrees and keep the edges of the decal off grout lines. Measure and center your decal in your desired area. After measuring, tape the floor decal in place. Next, peel back 1/2 of the carrier to expose the adhesive part of the decal. Using a squeegee or credit card, apply pressure and stroke the edge to edge, working top to bottom. Remove the transfer paper, making sure you lift off at a sharp angle. Once finished with this, apply pressure with your thumb around the outer edges of the decal. You're done.